welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Jaywalking Diva, back with another video today. But before we get started, I would like for you guys who are not subscribed to please go ahead and do so. It only takes you a second, seriously. But anyway, trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I would love to do that so I can start doing giveaways. Just a quick second, subscribe, notification, ring the bell so you know when I upload new footage. Follow me on my TikTok. It's the same name, Jaywalking Diva. Pretty cool footage, building that platform as well. So if you guys would support me in both, I would greatly appreciate it. So without keeping you guys waiting much longer, let's get into my video. Okay, for starters, this shoe is one of my favorite shoes to play basketball in. Yes, your girl does hoop, don't get it twisted. But I've played in this shoe ever since I can remember. Less likely to twist my ankle. Definitely most likely to cross someone over. Don't get it twisted, yes. But this is my all-time favorite basketball shoe to play in. However, this one I don't think I'll be playing in just because of the theme behind it. It's very cool. It's probably more of a casual fit than a b-ball shoe, but it's still a basketball shoe. So here it is. This is the box. You guys can see that. You guys can tell what it is. It is the Candyland Reebok Question. And of course, you guys all know Iverson made this silhouette famous. It is his own design. He has several that I really like. The very first one that I think I bought was for a 3-on-3 Hoop It Up championship here in Dallas, Texas. It was me and my nephew. So yes, I have to play with guys. That's to tell you guys something. I forget the name of it, but it was a low top. It was multicolored. I love that shoe. If I were to show you guys that shoe, you probably just tear me up in the comments because of how it looks, but I wore it forever. I really love playing ball in that shoe. But again, this is the box that the Candyland came in. And this is the content. You have your Reebok logo there, and this is the paper. It looks like the game board of Candyland. You guys can see that. All right, so let's get into the shoes, shall we? I don't even remember ever playing this game. It's like when I think about Candyland, the first board game that comes to mind is Chutes and Ladders. I don't know where that comes in correlation with this, but I don't know why I can't remember playing Candyland. But anywho, this is the shoe. Reebok Question Candyland. And as you can see, some of the details on here are pretty cool. Some I really like. There's only one that I kind of disagree with, but I won't comment on that because some sensitive people out there on the web. I'll leave that alone. But yes, here it is, guys. And let's start with some of the features on this. Of course, you guys can't miss this. Polka dot toe box, pink and purple, which is pretty darn cool, I think. I meant to jot down what these meant. I'm assuming this may be something like a jelly bean type meaning of some sort. You have the forest green sole, which I'm sure indicates like grass. And here is pretty cool too. I have to show you guys this. I thought it was freaking dope. Here it is, the tongue. Let me move the laces on a couple of slots so you can actually see it. It's so cute. Kind of made me feel like this shoe was kind of childish, but hey, I'm rocking it, so consider me childish. But here it is. It looks like furry green there. You guys can see that. You touch it, it's all fuzzy and warm. It's really cute. And that's on the tongue. And on the top of the tongue, you have Candyland and Candy Cane. And what else do we have? We have like the quilted fill here on the ankle. So yeah, there's that. You have your infamous logo here. And we have the 3 here in Candy Cane, representing Iverson, one of the GOATs. A lot of people aren't giving him his flowers while he's still here, but I will. Iverson, you the bomb. I still gotta play you one-on-one if you're watching this. And you have the pink bubbles here. They have the bubbles here with the pink honeycomb trimming inside, if you guys can see that. And this is one of my favorite parts of the shoe itself. I don't know why, but that really helps the impact, like for jumping and landing and so forth on the b-ball court. And then here you have your Reebok written on the bottom of the sole, pink Reebok logo. And inside of this shoe, you have Candyland written on the insole. So you guys can get some light on it. Bam! There it is, Candyland. And then on the other one, we have, oh, one thing I noticed too on this one, they didn't spell out Reebok on the eyelets like they normally do. I was kind of disappointed in that. It would have been cool if they would have used the green or just multicolored letters. I think that would have been a good touch for this silhouette. So yeah, they didn't put it on this one. Oh, and then you have the rainbow trail here. And you have the same thing inside without the lettering. All right, and then here on this next one, a little different on the insole. What does that say? Yeah, candy coated crossover cul-de-sac. That's what this says inside. A little street sign made out of wood. If you guys can see that. All right. I don't see any more different things to mention. It is a little glitter specks in the sole here on the green, which I think is pretty cool. Gives it a nice feminine touch. But yeah, like I said, this is my favorite silhouette to play basketball in. I have a lot of low tops I play ball in. Haven't really played in a high top yet, I don't think, because I do have several of those. I have the double crossover, the dress code, the red and black one. I'm not sure what that one was called. But I have more low tops than I think highs. The low tops, I have the orange and white, the light blue and white. I play ball in a black and white one. That, for some reason, is very uncomfortable. I got that one off of East Bay, which I will probably never order from them again, but that does not feel comfortable at all. And then I have, let's see, which other low top? I believe that's it. And then, like I said, I mentioned the multicolor when I started, because that's when I do play. I play ball in the most memories in. And oatmeal and white color, which is the first release of that. I know they just released that here not too long ago, probably towards the end of 2020, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, Reebok Questions is a very, very good shoe to play ball in. Like I said, it gives you the ankle support, the impact cushioning with the bubble in the sole. It seems like it's a big bulky shoe, but to me it isn't. It doesn't feel heavy at all. It's very lightweight. It's good for stopping quickly. Just something about the toe box here just gives it, you know, the elasticity to be able to stop without jamming toes and so forth. And again, the ankle support is phenomenal with this padding right here. I love that. And of course, the bubbles here for impact. Like I said, I can't go wrong with this one, playing ball in it, especially on concrete, which is what I normally play on, which is probably why I like this shoe so much. I used to play in the Candy Cane Jordan Retro 14 when I would play in the gymnasiums, but I don't know. The shoe is like very good. I know a lot of people say LeBron's basketball shoes are good. I've tried his, but it's just too painful in the ankle area because of the wiring that he has going up. But yeah, this is the Reebok Question Candyland. You guys comment down below to let me know if you guys caught this, your thoughts on it, if you like it. Like I said, I like it. I don't know. I can't believe it didn't sell out. I thought it would, but I guess a lot of people are probably feeling like it's kind of a childish silhouette or more for kids, so to speak. But me, myself, I do like it. Glad I copped it. And again, it is still available, which I'm in shock about. But hey, to each his own. That's my opinion. But yeah, that pretty much does it, guys. Here it is. Thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, if you're not subscribed, please do so. Give me a thumbs up, ring the notification bell, leave me a comment down below. You guys have a safe evening. Be cool out there. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Thanks. Peace.
Yeah. Since it's just the time with a kickstand, thinking of a plan to get quick bands, falling in deep with the quick